Hey, good morning. Andy Farmer here, MarineMax, Wrightsville Beach. I want to do a quick video walkthrough with you on the Gypsy Rose. It's a 2010 260 Sea Ray Sundancer. The boat is equipped with a 350 MerCruiser inboard outboard with right at 200 hours. The boat has been dry stored at a dry stack facility and has been flushed each time it's been pulled out of the water. Walking onto the cockpit here, you can see on the port side you've got an L-shaped lounge seating. I'm going to spin around here and shoot back towards the transom of the boat. Then you've got storage over here. Very nice flip helm seat, which does spin around so you can face the back of the boat if you're anchored up and entertaining. This 260 Dancer has walk-through windshield, so access up to the bow is very easy. You do have a remote spotlight up there and an anchor windlass with foot controls, as well as controls back here at the helm. This boat shows extremely well. There is a Garmin GPS map that does have a transducer, so you'll get your depth and chart plotter capabilities on that unit. There's also a digital depth display in the Sea Ray Smartcraft. Boat has trim tabs. As you can tell, you've got controls for your windlass that I mentioned before, and then here's your switches for all your lights. Got some storage down below in a glove box. Again, this flip seat that has a bolster that raises up, and it flips to the back and rotates around so that you can entertain. Stepping down below, the boat has the optional screen door for the cabin. Coming down, you've got the V-berth table set up now. There are filler cushions and bars that go across that can turn that into a berth. Laid this out so you can tell Sea Ray manuals are all there in the bag. There's my contact information. Let us know if we can do anything to help on this boat or any others. You've got a refrigerator there, a sink, microwave oven. Looking towards the aft of the boat, you've got a Jensen flat screen TV that does have a DVD player option in it. Over here we've got a small area for hanging clothes and some of your TV stereo controls there on the wall. The aft cabin, you've got a light, a couple AC vents, and some a little storage back there, but just a great place to store your stuff when you're underway. In the head, you got the Vacuflush head option. The boat does have the pump out option as well, so you got an 18-gallon holding tank, and I pull up to get gas and pump the holding tank out. Just kind of quickly walk through again, show you anything that I might have just glanced over quickly. Here's your control panel. System's there. As you can see, the boat does not have a generator. No generator, no trailer on this one. And then owner's got some personal effects down here, but pretty good storage. You just take a quick walk back up. You got access to your battery switches in that compartment. And then coming back up, just showing you the conditions of the cushions are in great shape. There is a snap-in carpet. There is also a mooring cover that goes with this boat, and then there's also the full camper canvas. So the boat is loaded with the canvas options. Let's quickly step back, open up this transom locker for you. Show you what you have in here. So he's got 30 amp shore power cord and a couple rope storage, rope stored in the rope storage straps. Access is easy through walk-through transom door. But again, Andy Farmer with MarineMax at Wrightsville Beach. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our other boats, please give me a call. My cell phone at 910-264-46 264-4818. This boat is located off-site, so please call to schedule an appointment. I'd be more than happy to get you aboard. Again, Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Best way to reach me is on my cell at 910-264-4818. Thanks. Have a great day.